So this is the sewing tutorial of the bubu dress, and first thing to do is to, if you've not watched the video of the drafting, you can check my page, you will find the video of the drafting. So we're starting with the sewing. Like I said, it's a very simple dress. In 30 minutes you should be done. So I've gone ahead to join the shoulder. That's the first thing that we're going to do, the shoulder of the front and the back. So the two shoulders are joined. That's the only thing that I've done. Then the next thing that we're going to do now is to attach the strip for the neck. So I'm going to be pinning that down, and then I'll take it to the sewing machine. So you pin it this way. So I have about 3 inches here. I have 3 inches here, and that's enough for me. So I need just 2 inches is okay for me. So when I'm sewing, I'm going to be sewing 1 inch, and after that I'm going to cut off the excess. So you can just make yours 4 inches. It depends on how big you want it. I want mine to be 2. You can want yours to be big. So if you want yours to be 3 inches, just add an extra 1 inch for your sewing allowance. If you want yours to be 2 inches, just add extra 1 inch. So if you want yours to be 2 inches, you make the strip 3 inches, just like I have here now. At the end of the day, by the time I'm done sewing, I'm going to have 2 inches. So, but if you want your own as bold as this, just add an extra 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So I have the strip, it is on fold, it is 2 on fold. So when you're cutting it and when it is not on fold, like I have 3 inches here, it will be 6 inches. So because it's on fold, it's 3 inches. So I'm going to start attaching it to the neckline, but I'm going to be starting from the down part of this dress and attach it and go round the neck to the other end. So just watch what I'm doing. So I take, this is the front. Remember the front is divided into 2. So I'm taking one of this, I'm taking one of this, and I'm attaching it this way. So I'm going to be pinning it down like this. Just take your time. It might be a slow process. Just pin it down to keep everything in place while you sew. It makes it easy for you to sew. So you can see that I have excess. have my excess. I'm just going to cut it off. I'm just going to cut it off. So I'm going to take this now to the machine. After pinning it, this is what we'll have. You can see the neck is coming. So you can see. Okay, so in order not to confuse you, I'm going to take this to the machine now and sew it and iron it, then I'll come and show you what it looks like. So I've gone ahead to attach the neckline to it. As you can see, the long strip has been attached. You can see the kimono is coming. There's the neckline. It's been attached. Attach the shoulders, remember, and then I went ahead to turn the sleeve. I turned the sleeve so that it will be ready for me to join it to the body, to attach the body. So we've done this, and then I went ahead also to cut out some strips that I'm going to be using for the drawstrings. These are the strips I'm going to be using for the drawstrings. So the drawstrings, I have like 8 strips here, 4 on each side. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to join the sides. We're going to be joining the 2 sides, and after joining the 2 sides, we're going to be turning the under. We're going to be turning the hemming part of it before we attach the drawstring. I said we're going to be joining the sides, closing up the sides, turn the under, fold the under neatly, and then attach the drawstrings to the 2 sides. So after doing that, I'll come and show you what it looks like.